China today is not only a manufacturing powerhouse, it's a global innovation powerhouse. And China plays a very important role in driving global trends in digitization, in sustainability, and many high-tech industries. Of course, we're seeing this in the automotive industry, but we're seeing this now in the AI industry. So looking ahead at this year, 2025, the Chinese economy is poised for sustained high-quality growth, with the new quality productive forces, with that added value-driven productivity becoming a major driver of the Chinese economy.
China's firm commitment to high-level opening up has contributed to not only to its own economic transformation, but also to the stability and the prosperity of the global economy. China market provides strong demand for global growth. As the world's second largest economy, China's enormous consumer market offers huge opportunity for global goods, services, and technologies. And China's industrial transformation creates new opportunities in global supply chains. China is shifting from the world factory to global innovation hub, with breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, 5G, and the biopharmaceutical opening new venue for global technology collaboration.
الصين منتجات عالية الجودة، لكن هي مرشحة لجودة أكبر، وهذا يفتح لها آفاق جديدة للتعامل والتعاون مع طائفة من الدول التي تحتاج إلى الصين في كافة المجالات وكافة الصعوب. الصين لديها الإمكانات الهائلة والكبيرة، وتحتاج لدول لديها غرف خالية للاستثمار في الصناعة وفي الزراعة وفي التجارة وحتى في الأبعاد المجتمعية والثقافية. للصين أيادي طويلة ممدودة في كافة أرجاء المعمورة.